Keep doing it.
Ready? Come on, you catch it. You catch it. You catch it. Come on. Come on, ready? Come on. Come on. Chest pass. Thumbs down. There you go. Good job. Come on. Throw it. Throw it. Come on. Throw.
Get him to yell like you were.
Come on. Yeah, good job, buddy. High five. High five. Yeah, down low. Down low.
Oh, get it, Nugget. Ha You get that. You get that. Oh. You want to see? Oh, hi, Daddy. You're throwing the baby.
On TV.
Did you have fun with Papa? Your daddy, I mean?
On TV, buddy. See? Say hi.
He wants his ball.
Say hi.
Yay! Yes. We're having fun on our Sunday morning playing ball with our boy. Yeah.
Good throw.
Yeah. Hey, Drew Boo. You are going to be a pro basketball player sometime, huh?
Good job. Come on.
You're definitely big enough. Didi! Oh, throw it to Mama. Please. You throw it to Mama.
He was really excited earlier.
Yeah, I heard him. He was screaming. Drew Boo, I'm going to throw it to you. Get the ball.
Oh.
Oh!
Uh-oh.
What
Did he hit you in
happened?
the ears?
Did Mama hit you on the head? All right, baby. Give it a kiss. Give the camera a kiss. Give the camera a kiss real quick.